What's going on, guys? Angelo here. Today I'm coming to you with a very different video on the channel. I don't usually do anything with the automotive industry, but today I'm going to be doing some mods to my car. First thing I'm going to be doing though is installing a K&N cabin air filter as well as the car air filter. I'm basically going to show you all in this video, as you saw from the title, of how to install this into your RAV4. Now, because I am running a little low on sunlight, I'm going to try to make this unboxing quick, and we're going to go ahead and get straight to the installation because I know that's really what you all are coming for. I just want to show what comes in the box though for the K&N air filter, and we'll go ahead and get right to it. We're also going to be doing, well, not we, but I'm also going to be doing some LED light mods for the dome and map lights. We'll do that in a separate video, so please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more content like this. I'm also going to try to make these LED for the signals as well, but like I said, I'm running low on daylight. This is going to be the air filter, as you see here, upside down. That's what it looks like though. It is a K&N high flow air filter. These are premium air filters. This one ran about $56, $57 after tax, and I did get a little discount. But honestly, this is probably one of the best air filters that I've had. I have one in my older car. So let's go ahead and open it up really quick. They put a little bit of tape, as you saw. There we go. Hopefully you all can see all this. Here it is. You have your usual books and whatnot. They also do this for many other types of cars, as you see here. They have different types, and this is the cabin air filter that you see here. All of them are washable. All you're gonna have to do is buy basically their spray. There we go. Little ASMR. And there you have it. That's what it looks like. This is the side that's gonna go into the car, basically going down into it. You can feel the little bit of oil that they put onto the actual filter itself. Okay guys, so sorry, it's a little bit later now. The time was not on my side, but basically I'm gonna show you all a little bit of light. Essentially what you're gonna do is hit this button here. You're just gonna pull that just like so. And if you heard that click, basically you just open up the front of your car, and all you're gonna do is go under here, go to the side, because there you go. Now because this is LE, you're gonna have to use that piece right there, that tool. So as you see here, you're just gonna slide. Sometimes it's hard to get. Then all you're gonna do, you're gonna grab this piece right here. You'll put it up into that right there. Obviously I have a flashlight, you can't really see it, but there you go. So basically you're gonna put it up into that right there, and you'll have your thing just open. So where your filter is going to be, go ahead and bring the tripod closer. So you see right there, that's going to be where your engine air filter is at for this RAV4. Again, this is the 2018 edition if you didn't hear before. Sorry for the lighting, but yeah, basically I'm going to try to hold this light up. I'm going to get my mic on, and we'll go ahead and get started on this installation. All right, so the first thing you want to go ahead and do is undo these clips right here. Really simple, just undo those. You're gonna move this out the way a little bit. It will be in the way, but all you're gonna do is pull this out. As you see, it is pretty dirty. It's pretty dirty. It has hair in it, a lot of bug stuff probably, and it already looks pretty bad. You're supposed to change this every about 20,000 miles, honestly. You might want to do it before that if you're driving more often. I'm gonna install this one, as you see here, down facing with the sticks out. Hopefully you all can see this, but basically what you're gonna do is slide this into here, just like that. There you have it. Slides in real smooth. I'll go ahead and give you a closer angle. Literally that took me like 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes to do that, obviously with the unboxing and everything. And now you have a clean, durable premium air filter that's going to help with your gas mileage. I hope you all did enjoy the video. Like I said, you can stick around, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if it does help you, and that helps me to know if you want to see more videos like this. On top of that, it does help the YouTube algorithm. But to finish this installation, what you're going to do is click these back on. So make sure you have this aligned up correctly. So go ahead and get that aligned. Okay guys, so I got it. It only takes a little bit of time. Like I said, it's flush now. I couldn't show and do it with one hand because we don't have much light out. But definitely, I will show you all how to do the cabin air filter tomorrow when we do have daylight. But that's how you install your K&N, your new K&N premium air filter into the RAV4 2018.